안녕하세요. 오투백 한국어입니다. We will go over 100 essential Korean sentence patterns. Don't forget to download the PDF file in the description. Today's expression is 명사 을을 싫어합니다. We studied like 싫어합니다. And today we study dislike 싫어합니다. It's the same like 좋아합니다. After object, we use 을, these particles. And 명사 has a final consonant, we use 을. 책을 싫어합니다. And if it doesn't have any final consonant, add 를. 저는 그 친구, that friend, 그 친구를 싫어합니다. 저는 채소를 싫어합니다. 저는 채소, there's no final consonant. 채소를 싫어합니다. 저는 채소를 싫어합니다. 친구는 비를 싫어합니다. 비, rain. 친구는 비를 싫어합니다. 민수는 숙제를 싫어합니다. 숙제를 싫어합니다. 네, 여러분. 오늘 패턴 1개와 예문 3개를 공부했어요. Today we studied one sentence pattern and 3 example sentences. While remembering what you learned, look at the English sentence below and think of the sentence you studied today. When you are ready, say it out loud. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Now, create your own sentence using today's sentence pattern. Leave your sentence in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Next pattern is here, and you can learn more Korean grammar here. Thank you.